that pretty? That sound over there.
By the sound of it, a barrel organ. Isn't it pretty? It's an instrument that works in much the same way as your heart. I guess that must be what grabbed your ear. Because it's mechanical, with lots of emotions inside.
My vision's not quite right, but glasses make me look a sight, enough to give the world a fright, like a spray wearing specs.
Oh, fiery little sprite, conflagration in the night. Don't play games with your sight if it leaves you in the dark.
I prefer life all a blur. I forget to wear my glasses. When I sing, I share caresses. It feels good to close my eyes.
Oh, my pretty arsonist, let me clasp you close to me, rip your clothes with my teeth and tear them into confetti, to scatter as we kiss.
Confetti?
On you and me.
All I see are stars. Suddenly some days my eyes lead me astray, far away down the street, until I can't bear to steal a glance at the sun, or even look the sky straight in the eye. All I see are stars.
I won't let you stray, I'll be your only guide. Let me be your pair of eyes, you will be my special flame.
There's one thing I must confess, of five senses my hearing's best. I'll never recognize you by relying on my eyes.
Smoldering embers alone in the dark, we'll raise cascades of sparks. As the clock of my heart strikes midnight, we'll catch on fire and blaze so bright you'll see the light. All I see is stars. Suddenly some days my eyes lead me astray, far away down the street, until I can't bear to steal a glance at the sun, or even look the sky straight in the eye. All I see is stars. Do you often sprout Italian ice cream cones?
Only when I've snacked on spaghetti after midnight. What's that odd pitter-patter?
That's just the rain. You like the rain?
Getting wet? No. But the sound it makes, yes. A storm's brewing. A thunderstorm?
A magnetic one.